we doing, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So, as you well know, if you follow me on social media, myself and a load of other vloggers were invited down to DAF Leyland down at Preston, and we were invited down to their offices where we had a talk on the history of DAF, and we had a YouTube expert there to tell us how we could improve our channels and increase our growth. We had a walk around the factory, which was really good, and then we visited the Vintage Commercial Museum, and then we went over to Lancashire DAF, where we got to drive a couple of vehicles and look around some special edition vehicles, which was very nice. Anyway, I've created a bit of a montage, and hopefully you get a feel for what happened. So there we go, that was a little idea of what our day at DAF was like. We couldn't get a lot of footage in certain places, so we were really restricted to what we could film, which is completely understandable. They're a business, they're trialing new products and stuff like that, so we can't show everything. But what we did see was really interesting. The tech and just everything that goes into building these trucks are just crazy, just mind-blowing. Never been on a large scale production facility like that, so see these trucks sort of hanging from these railway lines and going round on a production line was just mad. And yeah, I just found a massive thank you for DAF for inviting us up there, putting on a really nice day. Treated us really well. We couldn't have asked for any more, really. So yeah, and it was great to meet the other vloggers, do a bit of networking, Trucking Chris, Just Steve. It was great to finally meet Stavros, have a chat with him, that was really good, and also Luke Vernon as well, he was there, so we got to have a bit of a natter, which was nice. So yeah, thank you to DAF, and really looking forward to hopefully working with them again, doing some more bits and pieces. It'll be really good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, there's plenty more like it, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers! Not such a big one today.